Welcome to Technia TV. Hello everyone. I am Dr. Sanjay Kumar Srivastav, Faculty of BGMC Department, Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am delivering the lecture on the topic of paper selection. Paper selection. In print communication, paper is the only material that can be seen and felt in the finished product. The quality of printed publication is thus dependent on paper selection. Several factors need to be considered while selecting paper. Some of the consideration for selecting paper are as follows. First, printing process. Paper should be selected on the basis of the printing process being used. Some varieties of paper are suitable for only one printing process while others can be used for several processes. Good quality coated paper is required to reproduce fine screen engraving on dry or wet offset process. Second, space requirements. To avoid wastage, paper should be selected from the available size. While selecting a paper size, we also need to take into consideration the space requirement for grippers, bleed, trimming, etc. Now third one is requirements of color and smoothness. These should be judged according to their aesthetic consideration. From the reader's viewpoints, this may indeed be the vital rule of paper. Straight matter printed on a colored or glossy surface reduce the shine. For any printing job, white is the safest choice. Next one is weight and opacity. These are some other important consideration while selecting paper. Text or images printed on both sides of a thin paper often show through. A thin paper with good opacity should be used to prevent this problem. Heavy paper, more opacity, but it increases the publication's bulk and distribution costs. Now, next one is strength and resistance. Printing paper must have resistance. Paper resistance depends on the chemical and physical property of paper and methodology of manufacturing. Sometimes the printing ink is spread out when an impression is made on paper if the paper is not absorbent enough. I hope you understand on the topic of paper selection. For watching more video, like and subscribe Technet TV. Thank you.